Hello, and welcome to MTS World. Welcome to our YouTube channel, MTS World, and welcome to our cyber secret update. And today we are going to discuss another important topic. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell for alert anytime we upload new videos, to get alert to get access to our videos. So when you subscribe, don't forget to click the bell on the extreme right on the subscribe button. Never miss our videos. And today's video, welcome to a new video. We are going to discuss a topic on technology. That's as we give to you on our cyber secret. Today we are going to walk you through on how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. How to subscribe to a YouTube channel, how you can subscribe to our channel for regular updates, how you can subscribe to any YouTube channel, and that is how you are going to walk you through. So this is a quick walkthrough, step by step approach on how you can subscribe to a YouTube channel. So before that, if you know how to do it already, don't forget to subscribe to our videos and click the bell. But if you don't know how to subscribe to a YouTube channel, keep waiting. Don't worry, just after this video you will know how to do it, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channels and any other YouTube channel. So this is a walkthrough, and that is what we're going to do. We give you regular updates on our cyber secrets, and this is very educative channel. And don't forget to share our videos to others too, and it will be a blessing to them. Don't forget also to subscribe to our channel. And this video is sponsored by MTS MATLAB Technology Solutions. They are experts in web design and development, digital marketing, software development, IT training, basic and advanced, e-commerce development, and IT consultation. This work to MTS office anytime. You can also contact them on their telephone 0243343295. You see their WhatsApp also, just under there, and you can also WhatsApp them. You can WhatsApp the director and Anakwesi, and he's always ready to respond to you. Good, let's go to today's topic, today's video. As we said, how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. But before you subscribe to a YouTube channel, this is what you are supposed to know. YouTube is for Google. So before you can subscribe to a YouTube channel, you have to get a Google account. That is a Gmail. If you don't have a Gmail, you have to go and create a Gmail, and that one will walk you through how to create a Gmail on the last part of this video. But right now, let's go to those who already having a Gmail account and want to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Good. So if you follow the link after every video, we send links of the video to you, or if you receive our YouTube channel link, anytime you select the link, you realize that the link will take you to the YouTube channel where you have the video that you are supposed to watch. So this is the video per the link you selected. That is our last video. How have you lost your credit card? How to secure your funds when you lost your credit card. And this is the link I posted on my Facebook account. This is my Facebook page, and this is the link. So as you select the link, it takes you to our YouTube channel, and this is the video here. Okay, when you come here, this is within an account who has already subscribed to the video. So once you have already subscribed, you will see it. This is within George Man's account. Okay, let's see that George Man sign out. The person sign out. So this is for a new person, someone who hasn't signed into his YouTube account. This is a new person who hasn't signed into his YouTube account. The account is signed out. So anytime you are not signing to your account and you select the link like this, it will take you to our YouTube channel as you saw earlier. But when you come down here, when the page finish loading and you come down here, you realize that you will see the subscribe button. Anytime you see subscribe, you scroll down, you see the subscribe button on your right here with red at the back and white font here, subscribe. When you see subscribe, it means you have not subscribed to this particular channel and you need to subscribe to that channel. Okay, so when you select subscribe, since you are not signed into your Google account, you receive the alert to sign in. And when you receive the instruction to sign in, you select the sign in, and the sign in will take you to your YouTube, your Gmail account page. So these are the Gmail accounts we have here, and this Gmail account, any of them, if that is me, that is my Gmail accounts. I have most of the accounts I use to manage other pages and all. Okay, so if you already have a Gmail account, you will see that you get your account here, but it's sign out. So you just go and sign in. So let's try this Gmail account as Yeti, and I'm trying to sign in to Z for art. So that is my password, and I sign in. I sign in to Z for art. Do you want to add home? No, I just not now. I forward. No, but I advise you, don't save your password. This is my personal encrypted system. That is why you see passwords are saved there. This is personal use, and no one. And I visit sites that are encrypted, and this is used personally for me. And that is why it's not an email I also use for any serious business transaction or other time. It's just a personal mail I create. Sometimes I use it to just teach. So don't save password. I save it because this email is just for demonstration. That's why I save the password. There's no sensitive information in that mail. That is how you see it that way. Good. So this is the video. When I followed the link and I signed in, this is the video here. Good. Now I have signed in as associate. You see the H here, meaning I've signed in. This is it. I've signed in. And if I want to subscribe to this channel, that this video can lead me to subscribe to the channel, and this is subscribe button, and I select subscribe. Now once I select subscribe, you see subscription added, and now I have been added to the subscribers to be 19. It was 18 before. So meaning Hajetu has subscribed to this YouTube channel, and if you sign into your account, you will see the same thing. You have subscribed to the channel. If you want to receive regular updates, that anytime we upload videos, you can get the alert to watch, you select the bell here. When you select the bell, you see options: personalized, none, or all. Select all. All means that anytime any video we upload on this channel, you can get notification. So you get notification. So anytime we upload videos, this account will get notification. And once you subscribe and you click the bell, notification will come on your phone. And anytime we upload a video, you don't need to even call us, you don't need to even receive our links. But since you have selected the notification bell, you get notification on your phone. And this is how a walkthrough on how you can subscribe to a YouTube channel once you have a Gmail account. This is a walkthrough on how you can subscribe to a YouTube channel once you have a Gmail account. So never miss our videos. Continue to subscribe to our channel. When you send the link, use the link to subscribe. If you don't get the link to, you can use our YouTube channel name MTS World and the YouTube page to search for us and subscribe to our channel. Good. This is the next question. What if I don't have a Gmail account? How can I subscribe to your channel if I don't have a Gmail? As I said, YouTube is for Google, so you have to get a Gmail account before you can subscribe to any YouTube channel. So if you don't have a Gmail account, let me walk you through a quick walkthrough on how to create a Gmail account to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Don't go away, stay with us for this update. And if you already have the account, subscribe to our channel. Good. Before I can create a new Gmail account, I want to walk you through step-by-step approach. So I'm signing out all the accounts. I've logged in here on my Gmail, and I'm going to walk you through on a step-by-step approach on how to create a Gmail account. Good. Before you can create a Gmail account, you need this. You need a device, a computer device like a laptop, a mobile phone, or a desktop computer. You need internet access, either your USB modem, your Wi-Fi, your router, or any access to internet. And once you get them, you need a browser that can also help you to access the website, the Google website. Okay, so if we're using a mobile phone, you can also get a browser on the phone. So this is my phone screen, and you see browser here, Safari browser is there, and I can sign in. So once I launch Safari browser, you see the page there. I can create a Gmail account. We are going to create using the laptop here, so you are not going to use a phone. So if you have your laptop, you have any phone or any, once you launch your browser, you go straight to the address bar here. You enter www.gmail.com, and when you enter Gmail, you see the Gmail on top here like this. So when you enter gmail.com, it will take you to a page like this. So this is Google sign in to continue to Gmail. If I already have an email address, I just go and sign in. But since we are going to create an account, we go to create account. This is a walkthrough on how to create a Gmail account. It's for personal or to manage business. This is for personal. Okay, so we select personal, and you get to this field. You fill in all the fields here with the information. Your first name, so you can enter Nana. That is what I want to use. Nakwesi. So the username is the name you want to go to personalize for your Gmail account. So if you want Nanakwesi at gmail.com, you just enter Nanakwesi. And mind you, some common names will already be taken by people. Some names are quite common and people may use it. So sometimes when you enter and the name is already in the system, someone has taken it, Google will alert you that someone has taken this name, so you have to enter another name. So let's try and see if someone has taken Nanakwesi at gmail.com. That is what we prefer. And we enter a password. Make sure your password, this the inscription there, don't select this thing, view password. That is only, you can only select this if only you are only there, you want to be sure with the password you are using. But since this video is going viral, I want to hide the view and type password here. So that is my password. I confirm the password and I go next. Good. He said the password use 8 characters or more. That is for security reasons, so I only use 6 characters. So let's go to 8 characters or more. So we have used 8 characters, and let's go sign in. Let's go next. Good. He said the username is taken. As I told you, Nanakwesi is so common, so someone can take that name. So let's add something to Nanakwesi to make it quite unique. So let's say Nanakwesi 2020. And he said the password must be strong. So the password I chose wasn't strong. So let's choose strong password. Strong password contains characters like numbers like 1, 2, 3, and alphabets A, B, C, any of them, and characters like star, hash, so that it will not be easy for hackers to remember and hack into your account. Okay, let's try this. You see, the password didn't match. If it doesn't match to, it won't go. So make sure you remember the first password you enter, and make sure you use the same password as confirmation. I hope this time. He said someone has already taken Nanakwesi 2020. So let's add something. Let's make Nanakwesi the double I, and let's 2020, and let's 2, something unique. That is the name. Make the name unique as you remember. Good. Now your mobile phone is optional, but if you enter your mobile phone, you may receive the alert. I've used my number to already create a Gmail account, so I may not wish to enter here, but it's optional. But when you get to enter your mobile number here, Google may send you an alert. That is where you can use to do your 2-factor verification. You find time to teach that. Recovery email is there, such that anytime you forget your password, you can use that recovery email to recover your password by questions Google will ask you. So that one is optional. Here we are not going to do it. We are creating this purposely to subscribe to a channel. So we are jumping all these things. You go to a date of birth. You select a date of birth. Google use date of birth because below 18 you have to go to Google Kids to sign in. This site is for those above 18. Google have Google Kids site for those below 18. That is why Google asks for your date of birth so that Google can verify that. But I'm not 1980 though. I just chose it. Rather not to say your gender, sex, so okay, let's say male. So that's why Google asks for your date of birth so that you will be legible to create an account on Google platform here, Gmail account. Else you go to Google Case to create the account there. Okay, so these are the terms, privacy terms and conditions. Take your time and read through so that you don't go against Google privacy terms and conditions. Okay, after everything, more options are there. You see, save my web and app activity and all. You come there that today we are creating this purposely for YouTube channel. Okay, so I agree to the terms and condition, and once I select this, once I select I agree, Google will walk me through loading Gmail, and a results will come whereby Google will give me my new email address. After this, good, that is it. So now, welcome. Google is welcoming you. Okay, so now you know you have a new Gmail. So this is creating a Gmail account. So now you have a new Gmail. Go here, you go to your account there, you see the N, that is your profile, and you see the new Gmail, Nanakwesi, the Kwesi with double I 2020 at gmail.com. This is how you create a Gmail account. Simple as that. You've created a Gmail account. Now you can use this to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so if I go back to the Facebook and I select the link from the Facebook, this is the link we send you. So from now, Nanakwesi 2020 can subscribe to our channel. He can subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Good. Since Nanakwesi 2020 has already signed in, because you've created a new account. Once you created a new account, it's signing automatically, and you receive your first email address. Okay, if I want to subscribe here, I want to sign in. So this is, we are going to sign in as Nanakwesi 2020 for Nanakwesi, also to subscribe to the Gmail YouTube channel. So this is what we're going to do. We are walk through from Nanakwesi 2020. So there is it. Nanakwesi subscribe to the YouTube channel, and because he has already signed in here after the registration, Google sign in direct, and this is your first message from Google. Welcome. So hi Nana, thank you for creating a Google account. So because this is already signed in, Nanakwesi can subscribe. You see, once you select the link, it has signed you in, and Nanakwesi can subscribe here. You see subscription added, and Nanakwesi can also select the bell, good, to get all notification. So this is how you can create a Gmail account and still come back to subscribe to our channel. So I think this is very very helpful, and I hope you've learned a lot from this. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have walked you through how to subscribe to a YouTube channel and how to create a Gmail account. If you don't have one to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to MTS World and share this video to others, and never miss our videos. Never miss our videos. Subscribe to our channel and never ever miss our video, because our videos are very educative, and I hope you've learned a lot. And watch out for our next video coming soon to your doorstep. Thank you and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.